Hello again, a new day, a new project. We have something to fix. This is a pair of headphones, BeyerDynamic, made in Germany. Really beautiful headphones, perfect audio quality. But something happens here. So one of the cups are not working anymore. From the beginning, I suspect the cable. You can see the cable here. I don't like the way it's looking, so I'm gonna take a first try. I will measure the loudspeakers inside. 119 ohms, and the other one nothing. Let's try to dismantle this. I really don't know how, but I'll find a way. No, these things are not going out easily. Yes, they are. So maybe I should try to take this out of here with a screwdriver. Let's go. Yes, so I was right. That's the way it's working. We can clean this also. This one should go out too. Maybe like this. Yes, of course. Oh man, it's a lot of filters over here. And of course, it's so easy. Look there, the wire, it's broken. I'll do another connection. And first of all, let me write down the way it's connected. This is very important because we have to know a little bit later how to put them back. On number one, we have this, let's call it yellow. On number two, we have a red, and here we have a white, and over here we have another transparent TR red, let's call it, and this one, it's a TR from transparency or something. Yellow, TR red, and here we have is a single one, green or blue. I think it's blue. But you know something? As long as I am here, I should check the continuity of the speakers itself. So you can see here, this white and red are going to this cup here, and it's good. And the other ones are going over here. And that is good too. Perfect! All we have to do is to rewire or remake the wirings over here. I need to take that out and try to restore the connection. Okay, maybe it's not such a good idea. We can do something clever like this. Push the cable much further inside here. Go, 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 go. Oh, I have to dismantle that. I'm sorry, but I have. I really don't like this. I simply don't like it. There we go. Now we are talking. To be sure that everything is okay, I'm gonna have a kind of improvisation here. But this will do such a good work of keeping the wires in there forever. Okay. Do you think this will go out ever? No, I don't think so. Sorry, my dear German engineers, but this is really nice. But this is my technology here. There we go. Then, just got these things inside here. Yep. And now we have this. Yeah, we are very good here. Even if the wire is getting like this, then it's very, very solid over there. All we have to do now is to remake or redo the connections. That's kind of difficult, and I'll do some other way like this to have enough room for working. Okay, so now we have the yellow, the red and the white. So the yellow, the first one, is going over here. Of course, TS100. And let's see what we got over there. Yellow goes right here. Perfect. The red one goes right here. And the last one, the blue one, goes right here. Perfect. Now we can even have a try. Yeah, this one is working. Okay, this one. Both. Perfect. Job is done. All I have to do now is to put all the things back together, nice and easy. And here we have a mark. So finally, okay, the job is done and it's working, both of them, perfect. So what I have to say finally after the job is done, that thank you German engineers for such a solid and ergonomic way to do the things. Everything it's easy to fix, it's easy to dismantle, and finally, what can I say, it's a great product. Well, a final remark over here, how to easily put this cover up. So you just started with a piece and then you have a screwdriver like this, and nice and slowly try to put them back on tracks. The last part is really difficult, but we can move this like that, get the screwdriver in, nice and easy, gentle, and there we are. It's back on place. Thank you for now, thank you for watching, I hope it's useful. Please like and subscribe, and if you have any comments, just write them down. I love to read about your opinion and also to answer your question. Don't forget to have fun, be well, bye bye.